Hello again, my dear friends. Did you know that animals don't see time the same way we do? For some small animals like salamanders and lizards, the world around them actually moves more slowly. It's almost like they're living in a slow motion movie. This happens because their brains work really fast. They can process or understand what they see much quicker than we can, so they notice every tiny detail that we might miss. Let's imagine this. If a fly is zipping past you, you might just see a quick blur, but to a salamander, that same fly looks like it's moving slowly, giving the salamander plenty of time to think. Should I catch it or let it go? This super fast brain power helps these little creatures stay safe from predators and helps them catch their own food. On the other hand, bigger animals like cats and dogs don't need to see time in slow motion. Their brains process what they see at about the same speed as ours. This is because they're not in as much danger from other animals, so they don't need to react as quickly. Their size and strength help them stay safe, so they can take their time a bit more. Scientists have studied how animals see things using something called the critical flicker fusion rate. This is just a fancy way of saying how fast an animal's brain can put together the pictures it sees. For example, when you watch a movie, the images move so fast that they blend together and look like one smooth picture. Small animals have a higher flicker fusion rate, which means they can see more images in a short time. This makes everything around them look like it's moving slowly, even if it's actually moving fast. This idea of animals seeing time differently isn't just about survival, it also affects how they live their lives. Think about a hummingbird. It flaps its wings super fast, but to the hummingbird, it might not seem that fast. It needs to see in slow motion so it can fly around the flowers and drink nectar without bumping into anything. The slow motion view of the world helps it live its best life. Even though we don't see the world like a lizard or a hummingbird, it's pretty amazing to think about how different life can be for other animals. Each creature has its own way of experiencing the world, and that's what makes nature so cool and diverse.